Should I buy gold or should I invest in mutual funds? Having the same confusion? Well, don't worry, you have come to the right place. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today I'll be comparing investing in gold with investing in mutual funds in order for you to take an informed decision before investing. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Investing in gold in India is different from investing in gold in any other country. No, we don't mean that the gold is more valuable here. In India, people attach a lot of sentimental value with gold. They either keep it as ornaments for themselves, use it as gifts in weddings, or start saving for their children's marriage in gold when the child is a toddler. So, a decision to invest in gold does not always have an investment value but a sentiment question attached to it too. However, with the influx of newer opportunities like sovereign gold bonds by the government and digital gold, people have started valuing the investment value in gold as well. It is natural and even prudent for an investor to wonder if a particular asset is better than others. Like this case, you may be wondering, should you invest in gold or mutual funds? Investing in gold versus mutual funds is not an either or situation. To maintain a healthy diversified portfolio, you need to have your hands on maximum asset classes in the right proportion in line with your investment objectives and risks. The best way to decide is to carefully weigh your risks and goals and see which is the best option for you. Let's compare these two on the basis of various factors.
Initial investment cost. In physical gold, initial invest can run up to a few 10,000s, while in digital gold, it can be as low as Rupee 1 as well. In mutual funds, you can invest in an SIP for as low as Rs 500. Liquidity. Gold is more liquid than mutual funds. Mutual funds are less liquid than gold. Tax saving. There is no tax saving in gold, whereas there is up to Rs 1.5 lakh tax saving in ELSS schemes. Diversification. In gold, maximum you can diversify is into different forms of gold, but that sort of diversification will not serve any purpose. There's higher diversification in mutual funds. Returns. You can only get a value on your investment by selling at a higher value than your purchase cost, while in mutual funds, in the form of dividends, also by tracking the funds, you can sell at a higher price than your purchase cost. Risk. There's market risk and there's also risk of theft and loss in case of physical gold, whereas mutual funds are subjected to market risk. Costs and charges. Making charges can be as high as 10% of the initial investment for physical gold, whereas in mutual funds, expense ratios mostly up to 2.25%, more than 2.25% in rare cases.
The decision to pick between investing in gold versus mutual funds investment is not to decide which is better than the other, but to decide how much to stay invested on which side. You cannot predict which investment, gold or mutual funds, will perform better. Many a times, equities and gold stand on two ends of the curve. When one performs better, the other dips. This is not a standard rule but happens most of the times. Therefore, review these points and come to a conclusion regarding your investment. Assess your investment profile before you channel your funds. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.